Hi, my name is Nicole Vanderwall, and let me congratulate you on taking interest in applying for the Google Search Grant for your charity or organization. What an incredible opportunity for you to take part of. If you're not familiar, Google Grants offer organizations just like you up to $10,000 in free search advertising per month. To give you an idea of what that might look like for your organization, we generally see clicks on the Google Search Network coming in at about $3 cost per click. So if we take that $10,000 per month and divide that by that simple $3 cost per click, that's giving you upwards of 3,000 clicks that you're getting to your website per month. So how do you get this $10,000 search grant? Well, there are a few different steps that you'll need to take in order to get your ad grant. Number one is you'll need to check that you're eligible to receive the Google Search Grant. Number two, you'll need to chat with your organization to make sure that the Google Search Grant is right for you and get stakeholder buy-in. Number three is you'll need to apply for the actual Google Search Grant. The application process has two different parts. Number one, you'll need to register with TechSoup in order to verify that you are a not-for-profit. Number two, you'll need to register for Google for Nonprofits with your TechSoup token, and then you'll need to submit your actual application. Within the workshop, I've packed it full of videos as you go through all of the 5 steps in order to receive your Google Search Grant. I've also included some bonuses like a compliance checklist as well as a one-sheeter that you can hand over to stakeholders in order to explain what the Google Search Grant is. So once you do receive your Google Search Grant and activate your Google AdWords account, I then offer a Google AdWords accelerator course, which will teach you the ins and outs of setting up campaigns, picking the right keywords, and making sure your account is optimized and stays compliant for the entirety of your account. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, boy, my organization sure does not have the time to apply for this Google Search Grant and set up the account, my team does offer this service, so please do reach out and I can let you know what that will look like as well. My goal for running this free workshop coupled with the Ad Grant Accelerator course is to empower you as a not-for-profit marketer to set up and run your Google Search Grant in-house. So thanks again for your interest in applying for the Google Search Grant. I fully believe in you. You can do this. And again, just imagine all of the new volunteers, donors, or potential new customers that you could drive to site with your new Google Search Grant. I cannot wait to start this journey with you, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you.